A few of the problems faced by Hawaii, Japan, and the Philippines are solid waste management, food waste, and homelessness.
The annual solid waste generated is around 2.2 million tons in Hawaii, 42.7 million tons in Japan, and 16.6 million in the Philippines.
The majority of which are dumped into landfills, which causes environmental damage and the production of toxic greenhouse gases such as methane.
And furthermore, the combined waste of these three countries totals to about 606 million pounds.
Well, wait no more, because we are here to help.
I am Alyssa.
I am Akane.
I am Stephen Roy Fabie.
I am Helmy.
I am Kiara.
I am Juno.
I am Leiohu.
I am Jake Unger.
And
we are
Save
Earth Incorporated.
Our vision is Save Earth Incorporated is committed to creating a positive impact in pursuing the cultivation of sustainable cities through the reduction of food waste, environmental pollution, and homelessness. We envision green cities with clean air, working with and maintaining a healthy relationship with their local communities, which would foster more opportunities for its improvement and its inhabitants.
Save Earth Incorporation's mission is to contribute resources in the effort to save the earth by focusing on reducing food waste and hunger and providing a meaningful engagement and contribution to the local communities.
Since waste management, food waste, and homelessness are the common issues faced by the three countries, we developed a business idea that will address all three and is in line with the Sustainable Development Goal 11.6.
Save Earth Incorporated is a material recovery facility and vermicompost center.
we will partner up with local businesses and establishments and collect their food and material wastes.
So in our facility, what we plan to do is all the food waste that comes to us, we plan to sort out. Anything that is clean and edible will be donated to food drives and community feeding centers in order to help and combat our hunger issue that we face within all three of our communities.
The food that is inedible and other biodegradable materials recovered will then be composted in the facility. The matured compost will then be sold to local farmers and garden centers.
The solid waste generated by these businesses and establishments will then be sorted, recovered, and processed in order to be sold to junkyards and other businesses that have use for them.
In collaboration with local brands, artists, and designers, a portion of the recovered materials will be recycled and refashioned into items such as handbags and clothing, which can then be sold as novelty items that are made from post-consumer waste that is sustainable and eco-friendly.
In order to alleviate the issue on homelessness and gain manpower to run the facility, Save Earth Incorporated would employ those who are homeless and give them more opportunities in life.
During the entire process, from collection to products, we value and recognize the importance of a strong working relationship with the local community. We truly value the concept of cooperation and the necessity of reciprocity, making the initiative in helping solve these three common issues in order to foster sustainable cities is only one dimension. We genuinely believe that in order to achieve the SDG 11.6, we need the support and cooperation of the local communities, because the success of this venture relies on unity.
That is why we place such a premium in fostering and sustaining a strong bond with the community and try to involve them in the process as much as we can.
This is our business model canvas where we will be breaking down the specifics on how our business idea, Save Earth Incorporated, comes together. Let's first look at the cost elements of the canvas.
In Hawaii, we will partner with local Rotary clubs in order to gain funding in building and developing our facility. Since the Rotary also focuses on providing humanitarian service, they will also be an important key partner in reaching out to the local homeless population to offer them jobs in our facility. Another important partnership is with Hawaii Food Basket, where we would donate the recovered food to help them in their goal to combat hunger. Lastly, our partnership with Atlas Recycling Center allows us to sell them our recovered materials such as copper.
In order to gain funding in building and developing our facility in Japan, we choose to partner with Asian Development Bank, as it provides grants to Asian countries to help in sustainable development. We would also partner with Mottainai in order to gain recognition, information, and training in constructing and facilitating a material recovery facility and burn compost center. Lastly, our partnership with Second Harvest Japan allows us to directly donate our recovered food items and help them in their missions to deliver food to single mother, family, and children homes.
In order to gain funding in building and developing our facility in the Philippines, we will partner up with the Asian Development Bank, USAID, and Mother Earth Foundation, as these institutions provide grants to initiatives that champion sustainable development and community enrichment. We would also partner with the local NGO Mother Earth Foundation in order to gain recognition, information, and training in constructing and facilitating a materials recovery facility and a vermicompost center.
We would also partner with Feed the Hungry Incorporated, whose purpose is to provide supplemental and nutritious food to malnourished children, and donate the clean and edible food that we recovered from local businesses and establishments. Lastly, our partnership with Kadamay Philippines and Homeless People's Federation of the Philippines Incorporated allows us to reach out towards the homeless community and provide them job opportunities as laborers in the facility.
Moving on to the second point of our business canvas, the key activities. At this juncture, we will talk about the activities and benefits that our business could provide not only for our partners but to other people as well.
First from the list is the employment of the homeless and unemployed. Yes, you definitely heard me right. Our business provides job opportunities to those unemployed and in need.
So here at Save Earth Incorporation, we think it's important to note that we are a manual run facility, which means that we don't believe in investing in larger technologies to do the work that people can do. What our plan is to employ the community and give them good job opportunities.
Next from our list is partnering with food banks in combating food waste. According to the statistics, food waste are one of the many factors that greatly affects the way we manage our wastes. Thus, our business will fix that for you.
Last and definitely not least, the main objective of this project is to manage waste.
As we can see, no matter how advanced the technologies are today, waste management was, is, and will still be a problem in the community. People are throwing away their garbage anywhere without seeing if they can still make something out of them. With that, our company would want to make gold out of your trash.
You heard that right! We can make cash from your trash. Our business aims to make the most out of your waste.
Guys, there is cash on your trash.
On to the next part of our canvas, the key resources. Here, we see the necessary means to run our business.
So first would be our financial resources that would be provided by our certain key partners, as discussed earlier.
Second would be our employees, who are all necessary in order to run and operate the facility.
Third would be machinery and equipment such as trucks to collect waste and deliver edible food items to certain key partners, as well as sorting tables and balers to process and recover the materials received.
Lastly, an important resource are African nightcrawler worms for us to compost food waste and recover biodegradable materials, as well as create one of our products, good quality casting soil.
Here we see the elements of our business where we need to spend money on buying machinery, paying our employees fair wages, advertisement for exposure and publicity, and utility bills such as electricity, water, and gas, which are all needed in the function of our facilities.
Moving on to the next part of our canvas is the values proposition. Here we will see the effects of our key activities and tell you what sets us apart from others.
First, of course, waste management. Our business surely help on the program in waste management. If we can expand our business to other places, we are pretty much certain that proper waste management will be observed and SDG 11.6 will be strengthened.
So next is community engagement and support. We want you to know that if you support this company, you support the community as well. We pride ourselves on our ability to be able to give back by employing the homeless and donating foods to any food drive or homeless shelter out there.
Next value proposition is job opportunities, as the facility is primarily run by people, not machines.
Finally, eco-friendliness. Waste management plays a vital role in maintaining the cleanliness and beauty of our ecosystem. Mismanagement of trash may trigger many natural disasters that may destroy our Mother Nature. Even a piece of plastic can make a drastic effect. Through our business, we can help realize the vision of living in sustainable cities.
Those were the cost elements of our business model canvas. Now, let's discuss the revenue elements of our business.
Our business values having direct interactions between different clients. We find that it's important to engage with local communities and establishments and place a premium on having a close relationship with different segments in the community.
Our business has a multi-sided market. Organic produce farmers and garden centers need good quality organic soil casting and fertilizers, which a section of our facility produces.
Furthermore, recycling centers and junk shops often purchase materials such as copper, tin, and glass, all of which are collected and sorted in our facilities, ready for them to purchase. Lastly, we recognize that there is a market for consumers who are willing to pay a premium for sustainable, eco-friendly, recycled, and locally made goods.
Our channels are divided into three categories, namely distribution, marketing, and communication.
For the distribution of our products, we have our partner stores, such as garden centers, who can sell our compost to a wider range of consumers. Our brand and products can also be brought to the market through collaborations with local artists, designers, and local brands.
In order to market and promote our company, we plan to use every strategy out there, from flyers to word of mouth to any postings on social media or public radio.
Lastly, we can use the power of the internet to widen the spread about our business. We can use social media sites such as Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook, and post PubMeds and other engaging content to advertise to our company.
With our mantra, there is cash in your trash, we can certainly generate income from your wastes. We believe that not all wastes are useless. There are few that we can actually reuse or recycle and even make profit out of those.
As a portion of our facility is a material recovery facility, the waste we've sorted will be sold to junkyards and recycling centers such as Atlas Recycling Center. Recovered materials that can be sold to these establishments include used white paper, cartons, newspaper, assorted mixed paper, PET bottles, aluminum cans, copper wire, iron alloy steel, stainless steel, galvanized steel, tin cans, and glass.
Another product are goods such as bags, refashioned and recycled from some of our recovered materials. We find that people are attracted to these type of products and would be willing to pay a premium for locally made products that they know can help our planet and are created by local designers that can support the community.
Finally, we create fertilizers from your waste. Yes, you heard me right. By collecting inedible food waste, we are able to make and sell a sustainable and eco-friendly product.
Save Earth Incorporated plans to initially build one branch per country. These branches are located at Hilo, Hawaii behind the Hilo Transport Station, Tugboat, Davao City, Philippines, and Osaka, Japan.
In the future, we plan on expanding to more locations within the 3 countries and possibly to other states and countries as well.
Save Earth Incorporation plans to quite literally annihilate the effects of improper waste management in our communities. If we have a solid plant in each of our countries, we will not only strengthen waste management, but will also give employment to the unemployed. And we can be an inspiration to everyone that there is treasure in your trash, and maybe it's not always waste.
Save Earth Incorporation will not only save our Mother Nature, but it will also save us from poverty and lack of job opportunities.
Once again, this is Save Earth Incorporation saying,
There is cash in your
trash.
There is cash in your trash.